Every March, Pilates enthusiasts around the world celebrate their love for Pilates. It's March Matness. Join me this year in celebration. Day 28 is both the seal and the crab. These are both exercises that are examples of spinal articulation, and there are rolling exercises. The first one here is the seal. And we use this to stabilize and develop control of the trunk and also to improve hip joint flexibility. It's also a great way to focus and relax. And you feel fun like a little seal when you clap those feet together at the top and rolled over. And onto the crab. I'm actually going to be showing a different variation of the crab. Normally at this point when we come to our knees, rather than lifting up, we roll forward onto the head and neck. And I'm just showing a variation that avoids doing that, and you roll onto the knees and lift up tall. Thanks so much for joining me in the studio today. You can check out my channel for Pilates how-tos, mat Pilates workouts, bar workouts, springboard Pilates, and much more. I will see you guys tomorrow for more March Madness.